Hello students, good morning everyone. In this video we are going to work out a problem on internal reconstruction. The problem is taken from Bangalore University BCom question paper. Let us look into the question. Chandru Limited resorted to internal reconstruction. So Chandru Limited is approved for going or taking care of internal reconstruction process for the company. The scheme is as under: 80,000 equity shares of rupees 10 each fully paid to be converted into 40,000 equity shares of rupees 5 each fully paid. Understand the first point. The company is already having 80,000 equity shares of rupees 10 each. The company is already having 80,000 equity shares of rupees 10 each fully paid. That comes to 80,000 into 10 rupees, 8 lakhs. They will be converted into 40,000 equity shares. That means there is a decrease in the number of shares of rupees 5 each fully paid. There is a decrease in the number of equity shares as well as there is a decrease in the face value of the equity share also. Number of shares ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಈಕ್ವಿಟಿ ಶೇರಿನ ಮುಖಬೆಲೆಯಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಇಳಿಕೆ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. So, originally the company was having 8 lakhs rupees worth of equity shares. After conversion, 40,000 into 5 rupees, that means the company will have only 2 lakhs rupees worth of equity shares. From 8 lakhs, the equity share capital is reduced to 2 lakhs means what will happen to the balance of 6 lakhs? That will be transferred to the capital reduction account for the purpose of carrying account internal reconstruction process, writing off the accumulated losses and fictitious assets. So that's about the first point. For that first point, you should be passing a journal entry, that is old equity share capital account 8 lakhs to new equity share capital account 2 lakhs to capital reduction account 6 lakhs. We'll see that journal entry next. The second point as given in the question, 4,000 12% preference shares of rupees 100 each fully paid to be converted into 4,000 preference shares are converted into 40,000 equity shares of rupees 5 each fully paid. Here, preference shares are converted into equity shares. Preference shares are converted into equity share. That can also be done. There is no need to worry about that. Because they may be convertible equity shares or whatever it is. As a part of the scheme of reconstruction, we are converting preference share capital into equity share capital. And there is also a reduction of capital. When you look at the original preference shares, 4,000 shares were at the rate of rupees 100 each. That comes to 4 lakhs. 4,000 shares into 100 rupees, that is coming to 4 lakhs. But after conversion, it will become 40,000 equity shares into 5 rupees. That means 40,000 into 5 will become 2 lakhs. So 4 lakhs rupees worth of preference share capital is converted into 2 lakhs rupees worth of equity shares. The balance 2 lakhs rupees will be sacrificed by the preference shareholders, which will be transferred to capital reduction account and will be used for the purpose of accumulated losses will be wiped out. That's about the second point. And the third one, if you see, 615% debentures of rupees 1,000 each to be discharged by the issue of 80,000 equity shares of rupees 5 each fully paid. Here, debentures are also converted to equity shares. How much debentures are there? 600 debentures of 1,000 rupees. So 600 into 1,000 should come to 6 lakhs. 6 lakhs rupees worth of debentures are converted into 80,000 equity shares of rupees 5 each. That is 80,000 into 5, that comes to 4 lakhs. 6 lakhs rupees worth of ಡಿಬೆಂಚರ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ 4 lakhs rupees worth of equity shares ಆಗಿ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ the debenture holders are also sacrificing an amount of rupees 2 lakhs which will be transferred to capital reduction account. So, see the next point. The amount so available be appropriated to write off the following. So, the amount that is made available in the hands of the company by the way of reducing the burden of preference share capital, equity share capital and debentures, that amount will be used to write off the accumulated losses of the company, as they have mentioned here. Profit and loss account debit balance 4 lakhs, that means loss. Goodwill rupees 2 lakhs should be written off. Plant and machinery rupees 1,50,000 should be written off. They are asking us to pass necessary journal entries in the books of Chandru Limited. The simplest summary of this question is: equity shareholders, preference shareholders and debenture holders, they are sacrificing their claims to some extent. When they are sacrificing their claims, the company will reduce some of its liabilities, thereby it will have some amount in its hand which will be used for wiping out of accumulated losses. ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಇಷ್ಟೇನೆ. ಈಕ್ವಿಟಿ ಶೇರ್ ಹೋಲ್ಡರ್ಸ್ಗೆ, ಪ್ರಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಶೇರ್ ಹೋಲ್ಡರ್ಸ್ಗೆ, ಡಿಬೆಂಚರ್ ಹೋಲ್ಡರ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಕೊಡಬೇಕಾದಂತಹ ಅಮೌಂಟಲ್ಲಿ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು, ಅಂದರೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಕೊಡಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋ ಅಮೌಂಟನ್ನು ನಾವು ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀವಿ, ನೋಡಪ್ಪ ನಿಮಗೆ 8 ಲಕ್ಷ ಕೊಡಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ, ಬಟ್ ಕಂಪನಿ ಡೇಂಜರಲ್ಲಿದೆ, ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿದೆ, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅಷ್ಟು ದುಡ್ಡು ಕೊಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ, ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಅಷ್ಟರಲ್ಲೇ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ದಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ there is a decrease in the capital and liabilities. When there is a decrease in the capital and liabilities, that amount can be used to wipe out the losses. Simple logic ಅಷ್ಟೇ. See the journal entries. The first journal entry for the purpose of reducing equity share capital, that is old equity share capital account debit 8 lakhs, old equity share capital, to new equity share capital rupees 2 lakhs. Old equity share was rupees 10 rupees, new equity share will be rupees 5 each, and the balance will be to capital reduction account 6 lakhs. 8 lakhs rupees ಇದ್ದಂಥ ಈಕ್ವಿಟಿ ಶೇರ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲನ್ನು 2 lakhsಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ 6 lakhsನ್ನು ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ರಿಡಕ್ಷನ್ಗೆ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. Being 80,000 equity shares of rupees 10 each converted to 40,000 shares of rupees 5 each. Second journal entry for conversion of preference share capital. 12% preference share capital account debit 4 lakhs to equity share capital account 2 lakhs. Because preference share capital is cancelled and we are giving equity shares to them. The balance sacrificed from preference shareholders will be 2 lakhs will be taken to capital reduction account. Look at the journal entry once again for conversion of preference shares. 12% preference share capital account debit 4 lakhs to equity share capital 2 lakhs to capital reduction 2 lakhs. Then for conversion of debentures, 15% debentures account 6 lakhs to equity share capital account 4 lakhs to capital reduction account 2 lakhs. 15% debentures is closed and they have been given equity shares to the worth of rupees 4 lakhs and the remaining balance will be sacrificed transfer to capital reduction account. So Last journal entry for the purpose of writing of accumulated losses of the company. Capital reduction account debit 10 lakhs. How do you get capital reduction account 10 lakhs? Add all the balances transferred to capital reduction. Here you have 6 lakhs plus 2 lakhs 8 lakhs plus 2 lakhs 10 lakhs. All those amounts which we have transferred to capital reduction, that will be used here, that will be taken here. It is nothing but the total of the amount available in capital reduction account, 10 lakhs. To profit and loss account 4 lakhs, to goodwill account 2 lakhs, to plant and machinery 1,50,000, and the balance after writing off the accumulated losses as mentioned in the question, the balance remaining should be transferred to capital reserve account. What about these losses? Will they be given in the question? Yes, they will be given in the question. See, amount available will be write off the following, that is profit and loss account debit balance 4 lakhs, that we have written off. Goodwill rupees 2 lakhs, that is written off. Plant and machinery rupees 1,50,000, that is also written off. And if you have any balance left over in the capital reduction account, the balance will be transferred to capital reserve account. That's the answer for the question.